In this video, we're going to take a look at some of what Jetpack Stats has to offer. I'm looking here at my dashboard for HeroPress.com, and you can see I have a nice large Jetpack Dashboard widget, and it tells me some information. I connected it first on Friday, March 27th, and that's why there are so few views. But then Saturday and Sunday got very similar views. Monday, I promoted it just a little bit. Then Tuesday, not quite as much. And then today, it's only noon, and I already have more hits than ever before, because we published a new post. Here it says what my top posts are. Now keep in mind that I only hooked this up 5 days ago, and not only that, the site itself is not very old. At the bottom it says here that they blocked 18 malicious login attempts, and 1 spam comment was blocked by a Kismet. There's a configure link here, and we can choose to show chart stats by day, week, or month, top posts over the past day, week, month, etc., and then top search items. I'm going to leave those alone. Now right here is a link to view all, and that goes to this page, still within our own site. Here's a chart similar to the one that was in the dashboard. I'm going to reload and see if today is our best day ever. And it is. You can see that today we had 126 views so far, and that is the best ever. All time is 546. Now as time goes on, you'll want this all-time number to continue to grow and grow. We can choose here weeks and then months. Mine's kind of boring since I only connected it about a week ago. One of the things that I particularly like with Jetpack Stats over Google Analytics is that it updates throughout the day. With Google Analytics, your choices are real-time, which shows you only about 10 minutes, or previous to today. So you have to wait till the end of the day to find out how you did. With Jetpack Stats, they update about every 5 minutes. They claim several times per day so that if they get overwhelmed by traffic, they're still meeting what they say. But in actuality, it's about every 5 minutes. And I really like that. Over on the right here is a summaries link. That goes to a longer range chart, which isn't very useful to us today. But after about a year, this is going to be great to see how things moved along throughout that year. Down below we have referrers, Twitter, WP Tavern, search engines, and then some other links. And if we click the plus, we can see some additional information. Over on the right is top posts and pages. And as you can see, my page titles are not very good, and I need to work on my SEO. But it tells me that this post, which was just posted today, is by far the most popular. Here are some search engine terms, and people aren't actually finding my site via search engines yet. It's all by word of mouth, whether that be Twitter or someplace like wptavern.com. Over here is clicks. These are links that people clicked on to leave my site. One of my authors wrote about Stack Exchange. My theme is by the Theme Foundry. One of my authors' personal blogs is Hook, Refine, and Tinker, and so on and so forth. That's just for today. Here's yesterday. And then if we click here, we can expand that. So there's today, and then we can look at 7 days, 30 days, quarter, year, and all time. Most of these widgets have a summaries link. So for example, if I go to the summaries for referrers, I can again look at 7 days, 30 days, quarter, year, and all time. Knowing how people find my site can be particularly useful. Now this is just the information right on my own site. There's lots more information at WordPress.com, and we'll take a look at that in the next video.